Okay, so we're on shot 4, but I lost shot 4 in the weeds the other day, so I'm using ball 5. The launch angle was where I wanted it. The drop point was where I wanted it. Had a massive tip wobble that's from a long sling, so I've got the short loop, right? So we're like 4 inches shorter. We're putting it back down in the cradle, and hopefully it will stay at that lower launch angle. I'm figuring probably going to be around 12 o'clock stall and around 30 degree launch angle. But we shall see. It was a good distance, 345, 350 feet. Last couple of shots. Alright, so I'm going to change to the other camera. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's beautiful. 1. Alright, that's the farthest rollout yet. We'll see where it hit. There's a video right there. We'll see where it hit. That's 360 feet.